सुप्रभातं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं षष्ठकक्षायाम् अद्य वयं द्वितीयं पाठं पठामः। तत्पूर्वं परीक्षायाः आदर्शप्रश्नपत्रं पठामः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In the class 6, today we are going to learn the second lesson, that is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda Parichaya. Shabda Parichaya 2 means Akaranta Strilinga Shabda Parichaya. Before that, I am going to explain you the model for PT1. Your PT1 will be starting from the Saturday. So first I will tell you the PT1 model. I have posted it in your WhatsApp group also, but some students requested me personally that please explain what is this. Understood? So for the benefit of those boys, I am going to explain. So I have posted nine questions. Syllabus for the periodic test 1. First one is Varnamala. As I have explained you the Varnamala, you should be knowing what is the Swara, what is Vargiya Vyanjana, what is Avargiya Vyanjana. In the Avargiya Vyanjana again, we have got again Antastaha Ushmanaha. अंतस्ताः एवं ऊष्माणः. स्वरेषु ह्रस्वस्वराः and ह्रस्वस्वराः एवं दीर्घस्वराः. Again in the Vyanjana you should be knowing वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णाः क च ट त प वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णाः, ग ज ड द ब वर्गस्य तृतीयवर्णाः, ञ ञ ण न म. These are all called अनुनासिकाः. Again in the Vargiya Vyanjana we have got Alpa Pranaha, Maha Pranaha. K is a Alpa Prana, Kha Maha Prana. G Alpa Prana, Gha Maha Prana. Like this, anything may be asked in the first main, that is Varnamala. It will be there for 5 marks. Next one is Varna Samyojanam. Varna Samyojanam we have learnt in the first lesson exercises. For example, what is the Varna Samyojanam? Kavihi is there. Kavihi, how will we write? Ka adhikam, A adhikam, Va adhikam, I adhikam visargaha. It will become Kavihi, joining. Varna Samyojanam means joining of the alphabets. Then Varna Vibhajanam. Third one is Varna Vibhajanam. The complete word will be given. You have to split and write. In the first one, the words will be given split. Just like Ramaha, Ra adhikam, A adhikam, Ma adhikam, Aha will be given. You have to write. In the options it will be given Ramaha, Rama, Refaha, like that. So out of that you have to select. Everything is MCQ, multiple choice question. Three choices will be given. Out of that the right answer you have to select. The third one is Varna Vibhajan. The word will be given. You have to split them and you have to learn. Then again the fourth main is Ekavachanam. Fill in the blanks with Ekavachanam. As I have explained you, Chashakaha, Chashakau, Chashakaha. Chashakaha Ekavachanam, Chashakau Dvivachanam, Chashakaha Bahuvachanam.
Yes, sir.
For example, dash Ganam Gayati. Dash Ganam Gayati. The options are Nartakaha, Nartakau, Nartakaha. Like that, 3 options will be given. You have to select Nartakaha, Gayakaha. So dash Ganam Gayati, Gayakaha, Gayakau, Gayakaha. So you will select Gayakaha. Dash Kridam Kridati, Kridakaha, Kridakau, Kridakaha. Kridakaha. You have to select Kridakaha. Next one is dvivachana. Same like that. In the blank you have to select the dvivachana. For example, dash vanam gachatah. Ramah, Rama Lakshmanau, Rama Lakshmana Bharataha. What will you select? Rama Lakshmanau, because it is dvivachana. It is asked dvivachana. Next one is bahuvachanam. In the blanks you have to select which is the bahuvachanam. For example, dash hasanti, vruddha vruddau vruddhaha. So you will write vruddhaha hasanti. So out of these three, ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana will be there. You have to select which belongs to the bahuvachana. Next one is sarvanama shabdaha. Next one is for 5 marks. Sarvanama shabda will be there. Sarvanama shabda is pronoun. In the place of the noun, you have to write the pronoun. For example, सात्विकः सात्विकशौर्यः उत्तरं वदति. सात्विकशौर्यः उत्तरं वदति. सात्विकः, in place of सात्विक शौर्य, what will you write? Eshah or saha, whatever is given. Saha taute will be given, so you have to select saha. If it is given eshah etau ete, you have to select eshah. Then finally next one is vakya samshodhanam, correcting the sentence. For example, the noun will be in singular, verb will be in plural. Balakaha kridam kridanti. बालकः एकवचनम् अस्ति, क्रीडन्ति इति बहुवचनं. So what will you write? क्रीडति. The option will be क्रीडति, क्रीडतः, क्रीडन्ति, like that will be there. So you have to select क्रीडति. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, final one is don't get confusion. In the last main question, it is for the 10 marks. Understood? Prashnottarani. Question and answers are there for 10 marks, but questions are 5. In all others, 5 questions, 5 marks. Whereas in the last 9th main question, 5 questions will be there. They are consisting of 2 marks each. That means 5 into 2, 10 marks. That is for the 10 marks. Totally 50 marks question will be there. Is it clear? Once again, I will be repeating. Varnamala, 5 marks. Varna Samyojanam, 5 marks. Varna Vibhajanam, 5 marks. Ekavachanam, 5 marks. Dvivachanam, 5 marks. Bahuvachanam, 5 marks. Sarvanama Shabdaha, 5 marks. And Vakya Samshodhanam, correcting the sentence, 5 marks. Prashnottarani, 5 questions will be there. That is for 10 marks. It will come for the 10 marks. Sarvanama Shabda means pronoun. For example, Bali Vardau Kshetram Karshataha. Bali Vardau is there. In place of Bali Vardau, you have to write Saha, Tau, Te. 3 options are there. So what will you write? Tau. Because Bali Vardau is Dvivachana. So you will write Tau. Balakaha Patam Patati. So you will select Saha. Saha Balakaha. Tau Balakau. Te Balakaha. Is it clear? In the question and answers, 2 lessons will come. First lesson we have completed Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, and now second lesson also will come, which we are going to complete it today or in the next class. Okay, shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope all of you clear about the pattern. If you have still doubts about the pattern, please message me in the WhatsApp, only in the WhatsApp. Because if you call, I may not take your call because I will be in the online class or in the class. So if you post it in the WhatsApp, I will answer you. Anytime.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Okay. Now the class will be recorded. All of you keep quiet. Last 10 minutes there will be a discussion. I will ask you then.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Now please quiet. द्वितीयः पाठः शब्दपरिचयः. The second lesson is introduction to the words. In this lesson we are going to learn आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः which ends with a, दोला, सीता, वीणा एवं एते शब्दाः भवन्ति आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दाः. So let us learn this class. अस्तु. एषा का, एषा दोला, दोला कुत्र अस्ति? दोला उपवने अस्ति. Once again I will read. एषा का, एषा दोला, दोला कुत्र अस्ति? दोला उपवने अस्ति. Who is she? As I told you in the beginning of the class itself, in the Sanskrit, the gender is not decided by the things. Gender is decided by the words in Hindi and Sanskrit. So, Dola. Who is she? Who is she? She is Jula. So, for Jula, what we call? Dola. Dola means Jula, that is swing.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
What? So, Dola, Esha ka, Esha Dola. Who is she? She is swing. She is swing. Dola kutra asti. Where is the swing? Jhula kaha hai?
Sir, swing in the garden.
In the swing.
The dola.
Dola means Jhula.
Sir, upavane asti.
Jhula means upavane asti. The swing is in the garden. Upavanam means?
Sir, Arun Nayak presented.
Arun Nayak, please stop. Dola kutra asti. Where is?
Swing in the garden.
Swing is in the garden. So, swing is in the garden. Kutra means where. Upavane means in the garden. Next. Saka. As I told you, Yesha is one who is very near to us. Sa means one who is far away from us. Saka. Who is she? Sa Ghatika. She is the clock. Ghadi. So it is Ghadi. Arun Iyer, if you present once again, I will send you out, my dear. This is the last warning to Arun Iyer. Saka, Sam, Ghatika. She is the clock. Ghatika Kim Suchayati. What does the clock show? What does the clock show? Ghatika Samayam Suchayati. Ghatika Samayam Suchayati. Ghatika Samayam Suchayati. Ghatika is showing you the time. So, ete ke. So, ekavachanam over. Ghatika ekavachanam. Ghatike dvivachanam. Ghatikaha bahuvachanam. Dola ekavachanam. Dole dvivachanam. Dolaha bahuvachanam. lata, late, lataha. That you have to remember. Ete ke, who are these two? Kim ete, kokile,
Not audible.
are these two are the koyal, that is the cuckoos. Are these two are cuckoos? Na. Ete chatake, these two are the sparrows. These two are the sparrows. Chatake kim kurutaha, what these two sparrows are doing? Ete viharataha, they are flying. They are flying. Viharati ekavachanam viharatah. Esha viharati, ete viharataha. Anantaram द्विवचने अस्ति ते के. Don't see the car here. सा ते ताहा. ते के, who are those two? ते चालिकेस्तः, those two are the drivers. चालकः पुल्लिंगे, चालिका स्त्रीलिंगे. चालिका चालिके, they those two are the drivers. Say te kim kurutaha, what these two drivers are doing? Te vahanam chalayataha, they are driving the vehicle. Vahanam means vehicle. They are driving the vehicle. Te ke, who are those two? Te chalikestaha, those two are the drivers. Te kim kurutaha, what they two are doing? Te vahanam chalayataha, both of they are driving the vehicle. Etaha kaha, एषा एकवचनम, एते द्विवचनम, एताः बहुवचनम. Who are these? एताः स्थालिकाः, these are all the plates. These are all plates. किम एताः गोलाकाराः, are they round in the shape? गोलाकाराः means round in the shape. Are they round in the shape? Am means yes. Etaha golakaraha eva. Yes, they are round in the shape. Next. Etaha kaha. Etaha kaha, etaha stalikaha. Kim etaha golakaraha? Am etaha गोलाकाराः एव. अनन्तरम् अन्तिमं बहुवचनं ताः काः. ताः काः, ताः अजाः. ताः किं कुर्वन्ति? ताः चरन्ति. ताः काः, who are they? ताः अजाः. अजाः, aja, aje, ajaha. Ajaha means goats, bakri. These are all bakris, goats. Ajaha. Taha kim kurvanti, what are they doing? Taha charanti, they are grazing. They are grazing the grass. Understood? Punaha taha kaha, taha ajaha. Taha kim kurvanti, what are they doing? Taha charanti, they are grazing the grass. पुनरेकवारं सम्पूर्णं पाठं पठामि. एषा का, एषा दोला. दोला कुत्र अस्ति? दोला उपवने अस्ति. सा का, सा घटिका. घटिका किं सूचयति? घटिका समयं सूचयति. एते के, एते किम एते कोकिले? न, एते चटके. चटके किं कुरुतः? चटके किं कुरुतः? एते विहरतः. एते विहरतः. ते के ते चालिके स्तः ते किं कुरुतः ते वाहनं चालयतः एताः काः एताः स्थालिकाः किम् एताः गोलाकाराः आम् एताः गोलाकाराः एव ताः काः ताः अजाः ताः किं कुर्वन्ति ताः चरन्ति